Hi, I'm Andrew Davis, CEO of Gramophone. Today we're really excited to welcome you to the Greater Baltimore Temple. We're going to walk you through some exciting renovations that the hall and general spaces have just received, as well as the audiovisual systems. Let's go take a look. After meeting with the Nagana family and the Greater Baltimore Temple staff, Gramophone was able to identify 5 important tasks that we needed to accomplish through this renovation. Number 1, this space needed to be very comfortable and inviting for all to come to. Immediately when you walk in the temple hall, you'll notice that the acoustics are much better. Gramophone was able to accomplish that through new acoustical panels. Additionally, the perimeter of the flooring is in carpet intentionally to soften the echo of the space. By adding curtains and various tiers of fabric, we were also able to reduce the echo in the space. Perfect for a presenter or public speaking. Gramophone created 2 levels of AV systems that a guest can utilize when renting the hall. A general rental will include rental of the hall space plus a JBL portable speaker and microphone. For an advanced rental fee, you can utilize the technology in the rack and touch panel, which includes utilization of both 85-inch TVs, up to 8 wireless microphones, wireless presenting from a laptop, streaming from Crestron's Air Media or Apple TV, or utilization of the Blu-ray disc player. In addition, we have live streaming capabilities with a pan zoom tilt camera located in the rear of the room, which is operable from the Crestron touch panel next to the access door. Number 2, the lighting needed a tremendous overhaul. It was very sterile and cold and felt industrial. Today, it's very, very different. Gramophone's team completely changed the lighting design to make the color temperature very warm and very comfortable. You'll immediately notice with the added lighting and lighting control, it's much softer or could be really bright or vibrant with the lighting that's behind us. And a beautiful artist rendering around the exterior walls of the space. Changing the paint colors of the space, the recessed lighting, as well as the ceiling tiles completely made the space feel awesome. 3, the space should be very mirrored to the Hindu-Indian culture. One of the coolest aspects of this project to watch was the hand painting and the artwork. The stenciling took multiple crews up to 4 weeks to hand paint every detail and arch around the perimeter of the room. This took hours upon hours to create the gorgeous images that you see today. However, it was very important to Gramophone staff and our designers to understand the Hindu culture, the religious importance of this space, and our design knocked it out of the ballpark. 4, the audiovisual systems were too difficult to operate. Gramophone's team came in and deployed a very simple system, which is based around 2 85-inch televisions, a rack of beautiful electronics that are easy for all to operate. We wanted to create a system that allowed any user to rent the temple with 1-button access to wirelessly display, speak, present, listen to music, or put on a performance without needing a professional to work the AV gear. And we've accomplished that. And 5, we needed to update the furniture to match the overall space. Part of the temple remodel includes all new chairs, furniture, tables, and decor. Gramophone was able to offer our customer one-stop shopping as it related to remodeling this space. Gramophone's lighting designers, interior designers, tradesmen, painters, and total carpenters, as well as electrical team, created a gorgeous new rental hall that the donor family really wants everyone to utilize and flock to. Gramophone would sincerely like to thank the Nagana family and the Greater Baltimore Temple staff for allowing our team of professionals to take on such an important task of refreshing this space. We hope you enjoy it. Thank you.